Hey traders, John Howell here, officialjohnhowell.com. In this video we're going to have a bit of a stock update for you. So let's get into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Alright traders, so in this video we're going to have a look at Nike. Let's see what actually is happening with Nike and see what's happening overall. One thing I like to do, guys, is I really like to what's that doing there? I really like to have a look at the weekly chart and weekly trend lines, because these weekly trend lines really start to come into play. You can see how I drew this trend line from here. I connected it up all through there, and as you can, the market, Nike came all the way down, especially where we are right now in this weekly chart, came all the way down to 95 and then rejected it, came a sort of big gap down, rejected it, and then rallied right back up, as you can see. So really big sort of strong move right back up again as well too, back into those levels through there. And as you can see, guys, that's what's happening through here is on Nike. If we sort of look at the long-term time frame chart, you can see how the market's been in this sort of channel to the high side sort of since 2014. It started getting sort of tighter and tighter and tighter. We did get a bit of a support up through there, and now we've got this sort of big thump, and now we're coming up through there. So to me, guys, that one thing I'm looking at Nike. And we had a big drop down, but man, haven't we had a big run up through here. So looking at Nike, for me personally, I'd want to see it start to get into some normal trading. Meaning you want to see bars like this, some normal trading, and then you can start to determine where it's going and what it's doing and so on and so forth. Make sense? So that's sort of the setups that you want to be looking for. Get a good clear direction of what is happening with the market. So right now, there's not much happening in Nike, because we had this big run down, had this big run back up, and now we're closing where we are right now. We are starting to make lower peaks, lower troughs, this big lower trough and this lower peak. But I'd want to see over the next couple of weeks, I want to see it to get some normal trading going, and then go from there. One thing I would be very interested in, though, is because we have been in a very big upward trend, the moving average has been pointing up, is that if we see there's a bit of a trend line going down through there somewhere, okay, it's possibly like a bit of a, bit of support there, as well too, bit of a channel. If we do start to really break out of this through here with a good volume bar, then that may be something I'll be looking at there. But as I even say that, you can see here this big up bar. It looks like it's going to run into this area of resistance. So that's what I do see, guys, on Nike. That's what I just see what's happening through there. A lot of areas of resistance where we are right now. The market is at a lot of area of resistance. So I want to see it really break out of this level and start to move and start to get a bit more action. As you can see here, right, we had some nice sort of trading action through here, but now because of the market movement, the market has just sort of taken this, and this has just gone crazy. So anyway, guys, that's it for me for the update. Remember, success can be yours if you go claim. So step up, take massive action, and pay your fees today.